Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with my co-instructor, Winston. Winston is 5 months old, and we are working on my series working with children who have torticollis. Winston does not have torticollis, but what we're doing is looking for ideas to help strengthening the head and neck. In this case, I'm holding him out, so he's actually doing a stomach crunch as well. But if you lean them out a little bit and then tilt them side to side, you're getting head and neck work. Woo! Oh, Winston, what's going on? The further you lean them out, the harder it is. The closer you have them up, the easier it is. You can see out here, it's a little bit tricky. Let me see. Oh, 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 hey. So just tilting side to side as you hold him. That's an easy idea to work on lateral neck riding. And you can see his face too, so it's fun. Hey, you ready? Oh! Oh! We'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.